Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track or bus you want to fix, open Channel Settings or the Mix console to insert an EQ. Once inserted, enable a high pass at 2040 Hz to remove inaudible rumble. This clears headroom. Make an initial sweep with a medium Q to find muddy or boxy frequencies. Cut with small amounts like -3 dB rather than dramatic moves. This gives space for other instruments and prevents over-EQing later in the chain. Once you've removed obvious low end and mud, use narrow Q sweeps to find resonances and remove them by 2.6 dB. This is surgical work, not tone shaping. For musical enhancement, apply wider Q boosts to add presence or warmth. Use a high shelf for air and a low shelf for body. If you're working on stereo material, switch to mid-side to treat center and sides independently. Make sure to test linear phase only when phase integrity matters, because it increases latency and CPU load. You finish by comparing your EQ decisions. Toggle bypass and alternate settings to confirm improvements in the full mix, not soloed. Then automate specific EQ moves for song sections and save presets to recall tone quickly. Make sure gain staging remains healthy. Avoid clipping after boosting. If something goes wrong, check for phase cancellation or latency by bypassing linear phase mode or reordering plugins. Often the culprit is plugin latency or multiple EQs stacked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.